Hello, December 2009, here in Oman, December 31. Ito ang handa namin for the New Year. May brownies, merong kare-kare, merong fried chicken, merong carbonara, chicken sauce. Ito naman yung bagoong para doon sa kare-kare, fruit salad, tapos mga variety of fruits. 12 actually, 12 nga yan. Meron tayong ubas, may orange, may kiat-kiat, may strawberry, may rambutan, merong lychee, merong plum. Ito yung plum, ito yung nectary, saging, guava, peras, kiwi, chico, pineapple, ano pa ba? Lemon. Ito, may lemon pa. Ito, may lemon. May saging. Chico, meron din. Ito ang aming handa for December 31, 2009, preparation for the New Year. 2009, bye-bye. 2010, welcome. I wish that my family will have good health and all of us will be prosperous this coming 2010. Bye-bye.